Hello students, very good morning. Welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today for 7th class students, we are going to discuss assignment number 44 on number system. Now let us see the first question. A decimal number in which all the digits of the decimal part are repeated is called. Okay? All the digits after decimal point, all the digits after decimal points are repeated. There is no digit that is non-repeated. Okay? So, such a case, we call such decimal as pure recurring decimal. Recurring, why recurring? The decimal point, the digits are repeated, he is saying. So, that is recurring. And why it is pure? After decimal, everything is getting repeated. There is no digit which is not repeated. So, it is a pure recurring decimal. What is the example? 4.333, so on today. You can write it as 4.3 bar. Decimal point after you have 3, that is continuously repeating. That is the reason why this is an example of pure recurring decimal. Okay. Now we will move to the next question. 519 by 47 is an example of, is it a terminating decimal, non-terminating recurring decimal, non-terminating non-recurring, none of these. See, 519 by 47 is in P by Q form. Whenever it is in P by Q form, there are only two possibilities to represent it as a decimal number. One is either terminating or non-terminating recurring. Only these two are the possibilities. Why? If it is a non-terminating non-recurring decimal, we cannot represent it as a rational number. We cannot write it in P by Q form. Okay? So this is obviously ruled out. Out of these two, if you to how to find out whether it is terminating or non-terminating, non-terminating recurring. Actually speaking, you have to do the regular division, long division, but it takes time. It is lengthy method. Instead of that, look at the denominator. Denominator is 47, which is a prime number. As it is a prime number, here there is one rule. If at all denominator is in the form of 2 power n into 5 power n, where m and n are non-negative integers. In that case, if at all you can express denominator in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n, that becomes a terminating decimal that terminates after certain division process. But whereas if it is not in the form of 2 power n into 5 power n, then it is going to represent non-terminating recurring decimal. This is an easy way to represent it. Now, if you take 47 as it is a prime number, certainly you cannot represent 47 as 2 power m into 5 power n form. So, it must represent a non-terminating recurring decimal. Okay? So, that is how we can solve it. No need to go for lengthy division method. This is how we can check it out and give the answer straight away. Okay? Now, we will move to the next question. The period of 6.25 bar is, what do you mean by period? Whenever you have some recurring decimal, after decimal point, you have recurring digits. In that, how many digits are recurring? How many are recurring? 2 are recurring. 2 is said to be the periodicity. What digits are recurring? 25 is recurring. 25 are recurring now. So 25 is called as period. So the period for this particular decimal is 25. Here this 2 represents periodicity. It is not period, it is periodicity. So period is 25. Periodicity is 2, but he is asking period. So the answer is 25 for this question. Okay. Now let us see the next question. The sum of period and periodicity of 7.69 bar. Okay. So what is 7.69 bar means? 7.69. So here this is 69, that is repeating. So 69 is said to be the period. How many digits are there in the period? 2 digits are there. So 2 is the periodicity. 2 is the periodicity. But what is asking now? Sum of period and periodicity. Sum of period and periodicity is equal to 69 plus 2. That is nothing but 71. So 71 is the answer. Out of the given 4 options, 4th option is 71. So that is the right answer. Okay. So that is the end of this assignment. Thank you. Have a good day.